Money Sense.
Hello, welcome to another episode of Money Sense, powered by Jubilee Asset Management Limited. My name is Cliff Bakashaba. I'm the Senior Portfolio Manager at Jubilee Asset Management. The preserve that I must earn in dollars to be able to invest in dollars, I think is a misconception. And the reason I say that, let's take a step back to 10 or 20 years ago. Interaction with foreign currency was very rare. The only time you would interact with, say, the US dollar was maybe if you were taking a trip abroad or if you were purchasing or importing something from abroad. Fast forward today, that has changed. If you look at the volume of online purchases today, that has increased from platforms such as Amazon, platforms such as Alibaba. There's a lot of activity that is happening online, and most of this is being paid in dollars. The rate of travel has also increased. 20 years ago, people were not traveling as frequently. Fast forward today, there's a lot of traveling happening within the region, but also globally. So the likelihood of you interacting with US dollars is really high, and it's likely to happen sooner than later. As an individual, you sort of need to reevaluate your goals or your ambitions and identify those that will likely need you to spend in dollars and start planning now. So as earlier mentioned, if it's a trip that you want to take, if it's a holiday, if it's a business that you're doing that you expect will be earning in dollars, it makes sense then to have a portfolio set aside where you can grow your savings in that portfolio while it's earning interest, such that at the time when you're going to interact or when you're going to fulfill your ambition or your dream, you already have a saving that is sufficient to be able to help you achieve this dream. So to get started with investing in dollars, one, you need to open an account with Jubilee Asset Management. This is a very simple process. This can be done through our investor portal on the Jubilee Asset Management website. But in addition to that, we do have agents that are readily available to help you open an account. This can be done within 24 hours. And once your account is opened, you can then fund it with your initial investment. An initial investment or the first time investment is $1,000. This translates to approximately about 129,000 Kenya shillings. Subsequent investments are a minimum of about $500, and on a daily you're able to earn interest on this investment. In the event that you need to access this money can be accessed within 24 to 48 hours of instructing us to withdraw or access this money, and you will be able to access this money with all the interest that it has earned. Interest is distributed on a monthly basis, and once it is distributed to you, it is then reinvested such that it will earn interest in the next month. In a nutshell, this means that your interest will be compounded on a monthly basis, which is also an additional benefit to you.
Money Sense.